Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to change the gesture navigation, the navigation overall in this device. So I will explain both navigation types, the 3-button navigation and the gestures. Let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find home screen. Let's tap and scroll all the way down to find system navigation. Just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got those 2 types. So let me start with the buttons. If you've got the gestures and you'd like to use the buttons, simply tap on this option on the right. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply them to the bottom of the screen. We've got the back button, home page, and recent. Here you can mirror the buttons, so you can reorder back button and the recent. So it's up to you which configuration is more comfortable for you. You can also automatically disable navigation buttons when a status bar isn't displayed. You can do it for specific apps. And here we've got the shortcuts, so we can set our own shortcuts to the specific button. So it's nice. Obviously, to the home button, we've got circle to search, so you can of course change it. As you can see, for the home button, we've got only circle to search. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you've got the buttons and you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this animation. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial. You can do it, of course. I don't want to. I will also explain in a second how to use the gestures. So here, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gesture. We can use it for circle to search. Unfortunately, we cannot hide it, but that's okay. And here you've got the demos. And we do not have any more personalization options here. Alright, so if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recent. Moreover, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you'd like to quickly change between them, you can swipe your finger at the bottom, from the left to the right or right to left, just like that. And as you can see, we can quickly change between the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.